Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli, and tonight we're going to be making applesauce cupcakes. So what you're going to need in terms of ingredients are the following. You're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 cups of any store brand applesauce, 2 cups of chopped walnuts, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of baking soda, 2 sticks of butter, and 4 eggs. So in terms of hardware, what you're going to want are 2 medium-sized mixing bowls, a muffin or cupcake tin, a few measuring spoons and cups, a fork, a scraper, and some cupcake like liners, I guess. As always, step 1, wash your hands. Go ahead and take some soap, squirt it in the palm of your hand, turn your water on, rub it all the way around your hands. Make sure you get the back in between the fingers, massage your knuckles, everything. And go ahead and stick them right under the water and rub them together. Shake them off to dry them. Okay, step 2 is going to be preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So come on over to your oven, hit bake, set the temperature to 350 and hit start or bake again. That'll preheat your oven up to the desired temperature of 350 degrees. Okay, step 3. Time to line our baking tin with our cupcake liners. Go ahead and take one out of the one in front of it and stick it right in the little cupcake hole. Like so. That's just dandy. Ta-da! Now you'll notice I'm only using one 12 cupcake or muffin tin. You can use up to 24 for this recipe. Go ham. Alright, now we're on to step 4. We're going to add 4 of our eggs and our 1.5 cups of granulated sugar to one large mixing bowl, and then we're going to mix them together. So go ahead and grab your eggs and start cracking them. And you should go ahead and get rid of the eggshell. We're not going to use that bit. Now we're done with our eggs, we're going to add our sugar. Now take your fork and break all the yolks of your eggs and mix them together. You're going to get this mixture that looks kind of like lemon pudding. Pretty gross analogy, I know, but it's what it is. Alright, now we're on step 5, which is going to be adding to your mixture. Go ahead and melt your butter in the microwave for, say, a minute. All 2 sticks of it. Then you're going to take your 2 sticks of butter and add them to your egg and sugar mixture. In addition, you're going to add all 3 cups of applesauce. Then take your fork and continue to mix it together.
Usually you put the scoop in, scoop it out.
It's a stupid design for a box. Fan-fucking-tastic. Alright, now we're on to step 6. 6. I can count. We're going to add our 3 cups of flour, tablespoon of baking soda, and teaspoon of cinnamon in a separate mixing bowl. We will then take a new fork and mix these together well. Now that your flour mixture is done and you've got your applesauce mixture, it's time for step 7, combining all your ingredients together. So take your flour mixture and gradually put it into your applesauce mixture and mix them together, like so. Don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl to get all the flour in there. Do this gradually and continue to add the flour mixture. Gradually, I know. Once your mixture is all beat together, it's going to look a lot like oatmeal. Go ahead and add your cups of chopped walnuts and continue to stir. This little ditty is called Step 8. This looks pretty done to me. I'll be damned. Applesauce have to be refrigerated?
Yes, it does. Absolutely.
Once it's open. Refrigerator after opening, what do you know?
How many did you make?
Right now, I mean, we only have enough pans to make 12, so
Awesome.
we'll make 12, but there's gonna be a lot more batter than that, so we might fucking, I don't know if they have anything upstairs with like a cake pan. We can even throw it in like a cake
Well, I'm
pan.
gonna eat 8, so I'll clear one pan pretty quick.
Thank God for that. You're a godsend, you know that?
You're welcome. I just like sometimes I think to myself, what can I do to help Giuseppe? And today it hit me. Holy fuck! I can eat 8 of his cupcakes.
Technically, they're muffins because they're only frosted.
And I was like,
I don't know if that's a fucking technical line can.
I think it
don't know.
absolutely is.
The difference between a cupcake and a muffin is not the frosting.
What do you think, Connor?
huh?
Is
Cupcake and muffin
is the frosting the only difference?
I feel like muffins don't have as much sugar in them. This is like 90% sugar.
I don't know. That's a tough call, honestly. Tough all around. If I had to make a verdict today, I probably really wouldn't know what to say, but like, you know.
Alright, now we're on to step 9. You're gonna take some spoons of yours, grab some of this goodness, and put it right into the cupcake tin here. You wanna fill them maybe 2/3 of the way full. That one's a little full, maybe a little bit less. Go ahead and fill your little cupcake sheets, and once they are all full, we will put them in the oven. Alright, so I've just been made aware of an industry secret that even I wasn't aware of. If you take your batter and put it in a Ziploc bag and cut one of the corners off, you can kind of squirt the batter right into the pan. This is proving very useful, and I recommend it for you. Based on the batter, I'd say these would be good with like a cream cheese frosting if I had time.
I was gonna say that cream cheese frosting would have been perfect. Technically, these are just muffins, but it's a debate for another day.
That was one of our many debates. Is peanut butter a liquid, he says. Alright, now time for step 10. You're gonna take your cupcakes in their tins and throw them in the oven for 20 minutes. Maybe 25 minutes. Go ahead and open your oven, grab your trays, and start throwing them in there. Now we're gonna wait for 20 minutes. We're looking at 8:18. So we've been doing 5-10 minutes. Alright, so it took a little bit longer than expected because this oven's a little bit wonky, but our cupcakes are looking done. What we're gonna do is grab our handy dandy dish towel or oven mitt or anything to protect your hand so you don't grab a hot metal pan. Put it on your hand, open the oven, and grab the cupcakes, like so. And take them and put them on the counter. Now these you've got to cool for about 5 minutes, but these ones over here are already cool. So we can just take these and pop them right on out of there. And bon appetit, you've got cupcakes. I want to thank you all for coming to Giuseppe's Cooking Corner and watching my videos. I want to thank you for all the views and subscriptions. If you have any comments or questions about the food we make here or something you'd like to see on the show, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Bye-bye now.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Cut, wrap, print. That pan was hot to the point where I should not have grabbed it.
Probably not.